guys, today we'll talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your try lineup. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings, click on it here. When you just click here on settings, it's going to show for you a list like this here. So then you go down, just keep going down, then you click here on apps, then you come to apps list here until you're looking for try lineup, or just click on search. Then here at try lineup, it's going to show for you like this. Click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Click here on first stop. Then you click on OK. Then you go down, just click on storage. Come to storage list here, just click on clear cache. Then all you have to do, so you just go to your Play Store here, click on Play Store. Then you search for try lineup. It's going to show for you like this. You will find here update, click on it, and it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking.